Getting a confirmed Tatkal ticket on IRCTC is like winning a lottery. Hey, what's up guys, this is Sandeep from itechfever.com and this video is dedicated to Indian viewers where I am going to show you guys how you can book confirmed Tatkal ticket within seconds on IRCTC. All you need to have Google Chrome installed into your computer. Open Google Chrome and now you have to install Google Chrome extension called Tatkal Ticket Now. Find the link in description box below. I already added it. Once you add into your Google Chrome, you will get a small icon here in address bar. Now you need to click on this icon. From there, click on add ticket. Now all you need to do is fill this form as you normally do on IRCTC. You can leave this IRCTC login detail. After that, you need to fill every information. You have to fill this form before making actual ticket, I mean before 10 AM. Select all these information accurately and fill up all the passenger name and their age. Also you need to select your payment method here. Not to worry, you are not going to provide any of your bank credentials. Now click on save and book later. Now go to the IRCTC website. You guys need to log in 2 or 3 minutes before 10 AM. If you log in 5 or 10 minutes before, there are chances that your session will get expired. So log in before 2 or 3 minutes. As you can see, the time is 9:58. Wait till it reaches to 9:59 30 seconds and go to this icon, that Tatkal Ticket Now icon, and wait for 10 AM exactly. Do not click on book now. As soon as it reaches to 10 AM and 1 second, you have to click on book now. Click on book now. It will do all the tasks automatically since you already filled that form. I did a simple mistake here, so you guys don't do that. All you need to do is solve this captcha and click on next. Now you will go to payment page directly. It all depends on how fast you can make the payment. I am using internet banking as payment method, so I have to wait for that one-time password. Actually, my bank is taking much time to send me that one-time password. They took around 1 minute to send one-time password, so I am skipping that waiting part. Now I got my one-time password, so let's log in. Now I have to make the payment. Now you can see I got my ticket booked here. It took around 1 minute and 46 seconds to book this ticket. As you can see, I got the confirmed ticket here. Actually, my bank took around 1 minute to send me OTP, so I had to wait for OTP to arrive on my mobile phone. So you guys need to use a payment method, credit card or debit card which don't require one-time password. If I remove that waiting part, you guys can see I got my ticket booked within seconds. So you need to use a payment method which don't require any kind of OTP. This extension offers you guys 6 tickets for free. After that you can buy even more. Go to extension and click on buy more. It will take you to their website. From there you can buy even more. They are offering 1 ticket for 15 rupees and 6 tickets for 60 rupees. This Tatkal Now extension is developed by these Makhi Choose guys, which is another great extension to compare price on different shopping websites. That's all guys, thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe for more cool tutorials.